Welcome to Science Lab. Today we're going to learn about Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. We're going to use balloons to demonstrate this law. Action, reaction. We're going to make balloon-powered cars. So what will we need? We'll need 4 ping pong balls for the wheels. We'll need a push pin to poke holes through the balls. We'll need a barbecue skewer to poke through the holes that we make. We'll need a narrow opening straw to make the axle, wheel and axle. We'll need a tongue depressor for the body. We'll need strong tape to attach the wheels to the body. I like this gray tape, it works well. We'll need a wider straw to attach to a balloon for our action-reaction, and we'll use a rubber band. And other things such as scissors come in handy for cutting the straw for the axle. So let's get started. Good wide base. Put on the brakes. Turned right. So remember, it turned right. Why did it turn right? Make an adjustment or aim it left. There's 2 solutions. Good power. Good power. Wow, nice and straight. Good job. Oh, major adjustments. Major adjustments. The pit crew. All right. discussion strategies. So with students, we can have races, or we can have a target to see if they can go to the target. Who can go the farthest? Lots of different activities you can do. Whose looks the prettiest? Whose has the best design? There's there's major adjustments going on over here. Nick has changed his design totally. Made it a lot tighter suspension, a race car. So you can see if your wheels are not perfect. Turned left. Turned left. So you can aim it right. Just aim it right when you start. That's one solution. Wow, that's the best car so far. Here. Okay, we're going to get started here in a minute. Here we go. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. All right. All right, everybody. Attention. Repeat. For every action.
For every action.
Everybody, for every action.
For every action.
There is. An equal and opposite reaction.
An equal and opposite reaction.
Okay, that's one of Newton's laws. One more time, let's go.
Only